The Brandy Alexander is a creamy, indulgent cocktail made with brandy or cognac, crème de cacao, and cream. It is typically served in a chilled cocktail glass and garnished with a sprinkle of nutmeg. You will need the following ingredients: 1 ounce brandy or cognac. Brandy gives it a richer flavor, while cognac adds a more refined touch. 1 ounce dark crème de cacao provides a sweet chocolate flavor. 1 ounce heavy cream gives the drink its creamy texture. Garnish nutmeg, freshly grated is preferred. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, jigger or measuring tool, ice, strainer, cocktail glass, grater for nutmeg. Here are the instructions. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Add brandy or cognac, dark crème de cacao, and heavy cream to the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is chilled and frothy. Strain the mixture into a chilled cocktail glass. Garnish with a sprinkle of freshly grated nutmeg on top before serving. The Brandy Alexander became popular in the early 20th century and was supposedly created for the wedding of Princess Mary and Viscount Lascelles in 1922.